Still struggling with manual image text entry? Want to batch extract text from images and seamlessly update your tables? Try Bika.ai's AI batch image recognition template to supercharge your AI OCR automation. Open your browser, go to Bika.ai, log in, navigate to the Template Center, search for and click the AI batch image recognition template, then click Install to add it to your workspace. Open the template and read the instructions, which include detailed steps on configuring image recognition automation. Now obtain your free API key, click OpenAI Developer Platform, register and log in. Click Settings, API Keys, click Create New Secret Key, fill in the required information. Click Create Secret Key, and your API key will be generated. Copy this key. Return to the Bika template instructions and copy the URL provided in the template description. Go to the Automated Batch Image Recognition Automation, which is preset so that clicking Run Now will manually trigger the AI image recognition automation and extract text into the table. Click the Send HTTP Request action. Paste the URL you copied, replace your API key with the API key you just generated, and replace model name with the model name mentioned in the template instructions. Click Save. Now let's test whether the automation works. Switch to the AI Image Recognition database, which stores uploaded image attachments and their recognition results for users to view and manage at any time. Delete the previously recognized text from the sample image entries and change the automation trigger status to be identified. Return to the Automated Batch Image Recognition Automation and click the Run Now button. A few seconds later, all records in the AI image recognition database with status to be identified will automatically enter the recognition process. Once recognition is complete, their status will change to Identification Completed, and the extracted text will update in real time in the Image Text Content column. If you like this automation, find it in the video description below. If you've got any questions or want to dive deeper into Bika's automation features, drop a comment below. Let's chat.